Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm talking about the comments feature in Scrivener. Sometimes you simply need to leave a note for yourself in your manuscript. The comments feature is perfect for this. You can access comments from the format menu, or you can use the inspector. The little icon with a speech bubble and an N is the one that you need. Highlight the text that you want to add the comment to, and then click on the little plus in the comments section. You'll notice there's a timestamp feature there. You can either leave that there or type over it. The text is highlighted in the same colour as the comment box, but you can change this. Just right-click on the comment to get all the options. Perfect for all you colour coders out there. Also in that list you have Convert to Default Formatting. That's for if you've changed the format of the text at all and you just want to go back to normal comment text. I think Convert to Footnote is obvious. There's also another option if you want to move the comment to a different piece of text. Just highlight the new piece of text and click on Move to Selection. Once you've created a comment and gone back to your normal view, you can still see what the comment says by hovering over it. Yes, that box does expand with the size of the comment. Feel free to test just how big it can go. If you click on the comment, it'll open up the comment screen again. To delete a comment, either click on the minus at the top of the comment section or click on the little cross in the comment box itself. Check out the rest of the Scrivener playlist here. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time if you've subscribed.